Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the rear left hand side coil spring on this VW Passat. This particular model is 2013 estate model. The reason why we're going to change the coil spring is that it's snapped from the top. Here we have a new coil spring. This is a replacement part which we're going to fit. Got this one from our local auto part shop for a reasonable price. The way we're going to change the coil spring is that we'll have to drop down this lower left hand side suspension arm. That's because the coil spring is sitting in this pocket here, this pan here, and this lower suspension arm is secured by 18mm bolt. So basically you got the bolt on this side and there's a nut, 18mm nut on the other side, which we need to remove and pull out this long bolt here. So the way we're going to do is we're going to support the whole suspension arm with trolley jack, and then we're going to undo the bolt on this side and the nut other side. So we'll leave the inner one, so it's just this bolt here, nut and bolt, we're going to remove. We're going to use a trolley jack and the wood here to support the arm. Right, so the way we're gonna undo this nut and bolt is that we're gonna lock the 18mm bolt with a ratchet, and we're gonna use a ratchet spanner to undo the nut on this side. There we go, that's the nut out of the way. Right, now that we have taken the nut off, we're going to pull this bolt out. There we go, that's the bolt out of the way. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to release the trolley jack so that we can lower the suspension arm. So we're gonna release it gently, just like that. There we go. Just gonna show you the broken piece which is here. So you just push the arm down and you can take the old broken coil spring off. So this is the broken coil spring. Damper which goes at the top here, sits at the top here, like this. There we go. So that's the broken piece from here. Next what we're going to do is we're going to remove this damper which goes at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to remove this middle piece. There we go. So now it should just drop down with a little bit force. There we go. So that's the bottom damper out of the way. Just gonna put the both springs side by side to match the size. So just gonna slide this damper onto the new spring. So this is the bottom damper. So this groove here goes in it. And this way, in this manner. The top damper goes here in this manner. It's got a small cut here, that's because the broken coil spring made a little damage here, but shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Next we're going to slide in this piece here in the middle. So it just goes in here in this manner. Perfect. Right, there we go. So the way the spring should fit is that this groove here for the damper should go in here in this manner. In this manner. And then it's gonna move the jack to the side to push the arm down, and there we go. So that's the coil spring nicely seated in at the bottom and at the top here. Right, so next we're gonna do is we're gonna lift the suspension arm up with the help of trolley jack to line up these holes so that we can drive in the bolt. There we go, that's the hole nicely lined up. So just gonna drive in this bolt from here. Just gonna force it in. Just gonna drive in this nut from this side. There we go. Right, so we're gonna use a 18mm spanner on this side to lock the nut, and we're gonna use a 18mm ratchet spanner to drive in the bolt. Right, so that's the nut and bolt fully secured. Next what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the torque wrench to torque the bolt. So we're gonna use a spanner to lock the nut, and there we go. That's the bolt fully torqued up. Right, so we're just gonna release the trolley jack to bring the suspension arm to its normal position. There we go, friends, job done. That's the rear left hand side coil spring nicely been fitted on this VW Passat 2013 model. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.